and then like that.
Angles. They're wedges. You can cut it in the middle again, I guess.
And then like that.
You can lay it down and do it.
You think that's good?
That's fine.
Okay, cool. So half and half, and then like an orange, right, like this. And make sure you get potatoes that are all kind of the same size. I just picked all the small ones out of there. That way they cook at the same time. Be very careful. Pretty cool. See that? Those two of them together. And then for batter, I'm just using like a fish fry stuff. And then I have 1 egg, and then I just poured some milk in there and then stir it up. So I kind of am going off of a KFC recipe. But since this already has seasoning, the flour stuff for fish fries, I didn't add any. Okay. So I'm just going to finish getting these chopped up.
And that one doesn't have much seasoning in 15 minutes. Actually, I like these pretty good.
Yeah.
The price is pretty good. They're a little bit small.
Yeah.
But the price ain't bad.
They said, do y'all ever eat potatoes raw? And I said, I don't, but Aaron does. He puts a little bit of salt. Or do you put salt and pepper, or just
A little bit of salt.
a little bit of salt? Okay. I might have to cut this one again. It is pretty big. Okay. I've got a big pile of potatoes beside me. I pulled out about 6 little potatoes, so this is going to be a huge amount. Then each one makes 8. This has a little dark spot on it. I'm going to cut that off. See that? Yeah. So we're saving money because we normally do go buy them there.
I mean, yeah, but not a lot because they give you a total for $5.
This one's going to look a little weird.
I don't know how
I
they
had to
make that
shave
much
a lot
money.
off of it. Ah!
Because they give you so much.
Well, they may grow their own potatoes, or they might just buy them in bulk. Everything's cheaper, I think, in bulk. You still eat raw potato.
You go to the gas station on the street, you go to the Valspar, and they're so stingy now, we give you like 4 potato wedges.
See how big that plate is of potatoes? Alright, so we've got the little station here. So now I think I'll put the sausages in. I just wanted to make sure all these were chopped before I did that. Here's all of our little wedges and our breading, and then the egg and the milk. We're going to cook these sausages in the air fryer, so we don't even have to worry about that. Over here I've got some vegetables and some butter, and then here's our oil.
It's probably going to take a little bit, it's quite a bit of oil in there.
Okay, to heat up.
Yeah.
Alright, our oil is looking done. So I'm going to time lapse this. All I'm going to do, y'all know the drill. I'm going to put these in the liquid first, then the flour, then in here. Okay. Oh, I did turn it down like just a hair, but I don't know. That startled me. That's definitely going in the video. Maybe not. There will be more oil when I put more in there. Or you know what I mean, it will raise.
Yeah, keep putting it in there. Use the one hand also does make cauliflower soggy.
Oh,
That's how you keep it.
I never even thought of that.
Don't make the flour get chunky. That's other.
Alright, that's how the veggies are looking now. And this is how the potatoes are looking. Alright y'all, here's our potato wedges. We've still got some cooking, but nice and fluffy on the inside. Alright y'all, all the wedges are done. Let me know if you're going to make some homemade potato wedges because it's worth it. Alright, the sausages shrink so much I ended up putting both of them on one bun. We've got our veggies right there and then some potato wedges. I'm going to dip my potato wedges in ranch. It's going to be good. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, leave it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all back here tomorrow for another one. Bye.